Hey guys, this is Miss Smith. I'm going to be doing word study practice C with you today. So remember, with practice C, we have all of our words listed here, and we are choosing the two words that best explain or define that word. So number one, we have chronological. We have color, time, order, and space. Well, I know if something is chronological, it's talking about the order that it happens in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose order. Chronological is also referring to when these events or things took place. So that would be the time. All right, number two, we have chronically. You have repeated, continuous, rarely, and never. Well, I know that if something happens chronically, it's happening over and over again. So it's going to be something that's repeated, and it's going to be something continuous. Number three is the word chronicle. We have poetry, diary, last, and journal. All right, well, if I think back to my definition of a chronicle, you're basically writing or keeping track of different events that took place at a certain time. So that would be similar to writing in a journal or possibly even a diary. Okay, number four is chronograph. We have accurate, stopwatch, estimation, and distance. Well, I know that a chronograph is similar to a stopwatch, and it's going to measure time exactly. So that one would be accurate as well as stopwatch. Number five, we have temporary. You have brief, permanent, infinite, and ends. Well, if something is temporary, it's not going to last forever. So I'm going to say it's brief because it's just there for a little amount of time. We know it's not permanent or infinite because eventually it does end. All right, number six is contemporary. We have old, modern, tempo, and current. Well, if something is contemporary, it's happening right now or it's popular right now. So that would be something that's modern, and that would be something that is current. Number seven is location. We have position, place, outdated, and pleasant. Well, we know that the location of something is where it is, so that would be its position or its place. Number eight, local. You have distant, near, close, or foreign. Well, if something is local, it's not going to be far away, so it's going to be near where you're at, and it's going to be close by. Number nine is allocate. We have purchase, take, assign, and divide. Well, if you allocate something, you're splitting it up and giving it to different areas. So that would be assign and divide. And number 10, we have dislocate. We have disconnect, return, forced, and drain. All right, if something is dislocated, it's disconnected, so it's no longer connected or where it was. And it's also going to be forced because if you think back to our practice from yesterday, our word or our sentence with dislocate was talking about forcing people to move. So they're being dislocated from their current area.